Makalidurga, Makalidurga Fort. Makalidurga has got its name from two sources. According to the legend, Makalidurga is named after a woody climber called Makaliberu. Secondly, the Paligar, a ruler named Makaliraya, used the fort as his granary during the late 1800s. Makalidurga is about 60 kilometers from Bangalore and just 15 kilometers from Doddaballapur and easily accessible by road and railways. On the State Highway 9, you have to take a left on this dirt trail which will lead to a private resort. It is essential to obtain permissions for the Makalidurga trek. You need to apply online and fill out all the necessary details. Please do check karnatakaecotourism.com. Once you finish the process, you will get a form. Show the form at the forest department to gain access. We may have to show some ID and contact details. Please do remember, registration is important. Even in this deep summer and natural spring, in about 100 meters, we will find Mutturaya Swami temple, a Krishna temple on your right. We started slowly and steadily. Do not forget to enjoy the scenery around you as you walk up the trail. The surrounding must be filled up with lush greenery during the monsoons, but this is a deep summer in this arid region, so we were not able to make out any green in the trail. The trail starts to get tricky as the ascent becomes steeper. Make your way up through the rocks and boulders with loose gravel. Chances of slipping are more in this section. How can you resist the urge to take that beauty? We are starting to get the glimpses of Gundamakare Lake, which is actually will look like a South American continent. You have to stop for a moment and take in this scenery.
First view, la?
We have to be little careful about the steep rocks. I can't take my eyes away from that beautiful lake.
தமிழ் இல்லை, கன்னடம் தான் அப்படி பேசுகிறாங்க.
He is Muthukumar, my colleague, my junior.
ಈ ಚಿನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ தான். இதுவும் ஆகலை. பொங்க பிடிச்சிட்டேன். ஒன்றும் ஆகலை. ஒன்றும் ஆகலை. இந்த இது பேர் என்ன? அவ்வளோதானா?
Yes, unfortunately we missed the sunrise, and yeah, let's enjoy what we have. We rested here at this rock for a couple of minutes and enjoyed the scenery. We proceeded towards the fort on a slightly steep trail, and yeah, we believe in 20 minutes we will reach the fort. Fingers crossed. Luckily the instrument is fine. The lens hood, it took the hit. I'm never gonna wear my camera strap on one side again.
Just follow the marks.
This is the steepest ascent in the entire trek.
காற்றும் இல்லை.
We are greeted by the ancient fort walls, which remind us of their history. Makalidurga is full of legend and history because it is believed that Markandeya Rishi performed penance here. Makalidurga has seen a lot of change of hands. In the beginning, the rulers of Vijayanagara Empire held the fort, but as a result of their decline, the Nayakas ruled the fort. Later, Shahaji Bhosle, the father of Chhatrapati Shivaji, controlled the fort when he was ruling Doddaballapur region during the 1600s. In the summit, we'll see ruins of fort walls all around the summit. The summit is a plain area where we will see a lot of ruins of fort walls. There is a Shiva temple at the top of the summit. Makali Malleshwara temple, a Shiva temple, still being worshipped by the devotees. It's in the middle of ruins at the topmost point of the summit.
இப்போ தான் என்னோட கார்மெண்ட் பிரகாரம் நம்ம இப்போ தான் 1 கிலோமீட்டர் வந்திருக்கோம்.
You have to be here to feel the vibe and energy of this temple. We are looking at the east side now. In the far distance, we are seeing Gunjur Lake and our ancestors playing with each other. We roamed around the summit. Very long ago, people lived here. Who are they? Where did they go? How did they travel? Why and how did they settle here? What did they eat? How did they dress like? What was their life like? All these questions started pouring into me. It is important to fuel up. Remember, there is nothing up there. We have to be prepared. We have to take our fuel, hydration, everything. Here I am making, I don't know what, some sort of sandwich. It's not even 8:30 and the sun is scorching like anything. We decided it's time to go down. It is time to be super cautious because the obvious reasons. The rocks are so steep and rough. I don't want to break my leg. I must say, this was an enchanting experience.